Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is about this power switch that I purchased from Amazon. Okay, this is power switch. It comes with this little tiny book. We give you a little diagram there and give you some literature there. Okay, so I'll make this video simple. When you purchase something like this, guys, the only problem they're gonna have is this plate is on the back of it. That's the only one we're gonna have. This is simple stuff. Okay, you gotta figure it out. This is the why. Oh guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you never subscribe or haven't subscribed yet, I haven't make up my mind. Make up your mind now. Subscribe to help the channel. Okay. Now what I'm gonna have, guys, I would love it to be like this because I will have a wire coming from here going to the main load. But unfortunately, that's not what I have. So maybe in the future I'll have to change it. Maybe in the future. Okay. So I'm gonna flip this thing over. Oh, it comes with some nuts and bolts like this here too, guys. It comes with this. That's it. I have nothing else because it's the cheapest one I purchased there for $9, I believe, or $10, less than $10. It comes with this and it's on the bag with those things covered like this. That's it. Okay, folks, don't forget to subscribe though. It does help the channel, guys. It does. You're watching this video. If you never subscribe, please don't go ahead and subscribe. I got a bunch of new people watching my video. They don't subscribe. That's not fair. Okay, that doesn't keep me going. You gotta subscribe to keep me going, guys. Okay, this is simple stuff. How you set it up? This thing come like this. You take it off. You take this part off. Then you're gonna. This is what you have there. This is gonna be your load. Okay, it's right on the off button. That's your load right there. Okay, because of your load, you can pull this thing with your finger. What's it? You just pull it. That's it. You see the little thing right there, guys? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this thing sits right on it. Right there. You pull it. Okay, you just unscrew this. Okay. And I'm gonna take this thing off. Take it off. I'm gonna use this wire to connect it because I need to be bending stuff, so this will be perfect. I'm gonna use this wire right there, guys. That's it. That's one other thing I gotta do. I'm gonna tie it up right now. Let me go ahead and tie it up, guys. Guys, this thing is tied off right now, so that's about it. This is tied off. Now on the back, I'm gonna remove this one here, guys, and the other one. Okay, the other one I'm gonna remove. So I'm gonna have those two things like this. I'm gonna have a nuts coming this way, a connector coming this way for the first battery, another one coming this way for the second battery. Okay, this thing gonna be just like that back there. Okay. Gonna be just like that. I'm gonna have my second battery here. My first is there. I prefer to name this battery first, but that's what we have here. Now the only problem you're gonna have, guys, is this part here. This part right there. How to tie it up together? I'm gonna have a hard time to do that back there. So once I put the wire in, I put the other wire in. I'm good. This thing should be working. Okay. I haven't figured out how to put this thing together. Guys. I'm going to set it up. Most likely I'm going to drill a hole there, a little hole here. I'll drill a hole in here, and another one there. And call it a day. Let's go to the garage and put this thing in, guys. Okay, guys, this is what I have so far. This is what I had. I'm about to remove it. Okay? I'm going to remove it. I'm going to unscrew that. Unscrew this. First, let's switch this thing off. I'm gonna switch this thing off. Now I can't tell if this thing is working or not, so let me go get the laptop. I'm switching it off. I don't know if you guys see the difference here. You guys saw me do this, right? Okay, let me change the camera. This is my hand. Okay. Why are you still charging? Why are we still charging? Strange thing. It's supposed to be no charge, zero charge in here. Because I disconnect this. Maybe the damn thing doesn't work. I disconnect it. I just charge it now. Put it together. Now you give me 0 volt. That does not make no sense. Now I wasn't charging, guys. I'm not charging. Let me see what this happened now. Am I charging? Alright, those guys not working. Now he's working backward. This is charging. It's positive. I'm charging. Well, one of my subscribers told me to get rid of that thing. And I realized the damn thing's no good. Let me get rid of this. Let's see how much charge I'm putting on the battery right now. Let's see. Oh, I'm reading. Something's not reading perfectly. Something's not reading. This is wrong. I'm not charging anything. Maybe I'm taking it somewhere else. I don't know, guys. Well, anyway, I'm gonna remove this thing. And let's get on it. Okay, guys, this is removed. Unscrew it. I may use the same screw used to be here, guys. The screw used to be here on that hole there. I may use the same screw for the time being. Guys, this is where I put the back part. So there was a hole there or here. I put it there. It's not secured though, but it's good enough. But this is temporary. I have to redo the whole wire. Remember, I'm redoing the whole wire. Those big 2 wires there, one here, one there. I'm gonna be doing them. Make it more solid. So far this is what I have. I got 2 of them already. Let me go put the 3rd one. I should be done. Guys, this is the way I have the wire. Now I'm gonna flip it over and connect this thing to here. That's the negative side of the battery. So negative, this is where I'm coming from. This is where it's going. I'm using the negative. I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, guys. Guys, I start this thing with I put it in off position. You don't have to worry about it when you tighten it up together on the back inside of it. You do not have to worry about it. Because once you put it on side, there is no connection being done anywhere. So this thing can touch it, no spark, nothing. See? Nothing. So let me go tie this thing up. We should be good to go and test this. Guys, this is the wire. It turned out to be that way. This one's there. I need to get another screw there, but that's something in the future. Okay? This is connected there. And this wire I tied it up. This is the other main bar for the negative. Okay, how will I know this thing's working? So this is a good thing, guys, when you can see this thing through the Bluetooth. Okay, I have no sun, so the battery is not supposed to be charging like we saw the other time earlier, guys. The breaker is going nuts. Okay, guys, this is what we have. Okay, let's bring this thing closer and see what we have there, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to switch this thing on to this battery. Okay, let's switch on to this battery and see what we got here. Okay, he's taking charge from the other one. See, guys, he's working. Why he's taking charge from the other one, I don't know. But not that much though. Okay, let's switch it back to off. Oh, that's the light. There's only one light I have going on, plus the inverter. Why he's taking all of the charges, I don't know. Maybe this damn breaker is not working too. So let me switch this thing off, guys. Let's switch it off. Let me switch it to the other one, but we won't tell. Okay. I can't tell what's going on in here, so that's why the beauty of it, of the BMS. Off. Now let's switch it to both. Guys, I switch it to the other one. We can't tell what's going on. We can't, because there's no BMS on the other side. You can't tell. Let's switch it to both, see what happened there. I'll switch it to both. This is both. It doesn't do anything. Let me switch it by itself. Oh, then you gotta turn it. Well, let me turn it the other side again and see what happens. Okay, let's switch it to both and see what happens. I don't know. No, it is working a little bit. It does work, guys. You see it move a little. Then I put it on one by itself. And this thing just take off. Gotta do this with two hands, guys. Now I want this to be better together. Technically, I want this thing to be off. I don't know if because I don't have a BMS, I don't know what goes on both of them. So when I put it on both, I don't know if the other one is on. I don't know if the other one is not on, but it clearly is working on this side. You see some movement going on in here. That's really for the light. So that's made me question if this thing is working. If there's charging there. That's another video. Besides, I'm going to replace that, guys. I'm leaving this the way it is. But earlier I disconnected both of them and we still had light. So this one was working. It's broken anyway. Well, this is my new switch. Now if I turn it off, it does work. There's no off. See, there's nothing coming in out of the battery. No movement. Let me put it on both and see what happens, guys. Guys, I'm putting it on both. It does work. There we see, number 4. It's on both. It takes some out of it. There we go. You see, he's moving back and forth. So that's when the switch is working. It does work. So I'm waiting for the BMS, and I gotta remove the. When I'm putting the BMS, I'm putting the new bus bar. It's gonna be just like this. Just like this, going up the wall. Okay, and then I'm gonna have all the connection headed on the center of this guy. It's gonna be on the center. I put it right underneath of this. That's where all the connection gonna be. All the wires gonna be hooked up. Right in the middle of this, so everybody gonna connect this way, so we have no issues. Beautiful setup I'm gonna do, guys. Guys, this video is about this dude, and I put it on. It wasn't that difficult. It's just the bottom of it is the problem, but I kind of figured out how I'm gonna do it. Until then, folks, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel tremendously.